Number 5. American Standard. Heavy gauge steel tank. Inner Duraglass line tank fired at 1600 degrees Fahrenheit for optimum protection. Factory installed brass temperature/pressure relief valve. All tanks are also 100% hydrostatically tested at the factory. Dimensions: 15.9 by 15.9 by 21.9 inches. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Takagi TKJR2 in NG. 140,000 BTU, voltage, AC 120V. 6.6 GPM max flow rate. Water connection location bottom. 4-inch category 3 stainless steel venting required. Inlet, outlet thermistors for constant temperature monitoring. Energy factor of 0.81 to 0.83. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. EcoSmart Eco 11. Never run out of hot water with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. Patented self-modulating technology and design. EcoSmart tankless water heaters are 99.8% energy efficient. Save up to 60% on your water heating cost. Lifetime warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Bosch Tronic 3000. 2.5 gallon point of use mini tank. Thermal efficiency is 98%. Long-lasting quality. 36 to 37 inches cord plugs into a 120 volt outlet. Fast recovery rate. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Stiebel Eltron 24 Plus. On demand, continuous and unlimited supply of hot water. Sleek design saves space and no venting required. Electronic switch activated for virtually silent operation. Copper sheathed heating element housed in copper cylinder. 7 years leakage and 3 years parts complete warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.